Hey guys, this is Kunal and today we'll be making spicy chicken wings. Whenever we are dry grinding spices, what happens is generally we tend to overheat it, which makes these spices lose their essential oils and then they lose their flavor. But with the Hamilton Beach Professional, this is not going to happen because on the low grinding speed, it will retain all of its flavor. So the first step here is to add some coriander seeds. I'm adding some cumin, some fennel seeds, few peppercorns, some dry red chilies, and some cinnamon. Now, all I need to do is put this on.
For this recipe, I will be using the preset dry and I will be grinding it to semi-fine. Press start.
Done. Look at that. A good coarse grind is all we needed, and the beauty is the machine is not at all hot. The jar is still cold to touch, which means the essential oils of these spices are right in there where they belong. We will add some wet ingredients to this. I've got some garlic cloves, I'm adding some salt, some lemon juice, and I have a roasted red pepper, a little bit of oil, just to make the entire marinade moist. Close the lid and then just blend it. This time round, I'm going to go with the manual setting and then just press start. And it's done. Go. Look at all of that. I'm going to add some hung yogurt to this. The yogurt will give a bit of moisture to the chicken. At the same time, it will reduce the heat from the spices. Now, the wings. Just sprinkle some salt on the wings. Just mix them up. Rub some marinade onto the chicken. Now, we need to keep these marinated for at least 30 minutes before we cook. The grill pan is hot. Let's drizzle some oil. Make sure the pan is quite hot before you add the wings. Drizzle some oil on the top. And it's done. Now's the time to plate them. I'm just going to stack them up, one on top of the other. Some fresh mint sprigs. We'll serve it with a lemon wedge. And our spicy chicken wings, done. For more such recipes and exciting cooking ideas, log on to www.hamiltonbeach.in.